Welcome to this video where I'm going to be talking about how to reduce your stress in trading and investing. One of the way is to ensure that you reduce as many number of uncertainties that as much as possible in the trading and investing. What are those uncertainties and how can we reduce them? Let's look at one by one. The first one is your number of shares or the position sizing. We call it as position sizing. If you know how many number of shares you are buying, you are reducing one of the uncertainty, thereby you also reduce the risk, the stress in trading and investing. The second one is know your exit and don't be like an Abhimanyu. Okay, so only where you only concentrate on entry but you don't know about the exit, that can be second way to reduce your stress in trading and investing. Then entry, okay, know your perfect entry, where you are entering. Instead of during the trading you are wondering here and there what to do, should I not do. Instead know where you want to enter at the exact price point. Accordingly you will be able to be stress free and trade peacefully. Fourth is trailing stop loss. How to have the right trailing stop loss. For example, you move your you can actually move your stop loss from the current stop loss to your cost after you probably reach your 1:1, or you have your own trailing stop loss. There are so many methods to trail your stop loss. So that's your fourth point. The fifth point is to have the exit targets or the profit targets. You need to know where you are exiting when it is giving you profits. And the next one is you need to know if it was either if you exit because of the profits or because of the losses. You need to know your re-entry, so that you know you are not missing a bigger trade, or you have, even if you have stopped out, you know where to re-enter. If you know all of this, the next action is to have a proper trading plan. And once you have a trading plan, you will be able to properly manage. The trading plan should consist of the markets that you trade, the everything else. There are so many things that you need to be looking at when you are preparing your trading plan. Every business has a plan, right? Why not trading and investing have a plan as well? So when you have your plan, after that it's only about executing or acting on the plan. And the last one is go for it, execute it the right way. Once you have the answers to all of these questions, your next job is to execute it well. If you are watching it on my YouTube, smash that subscribe button. If you are watching it on Facebook or any other, click that like button. And I want to thank you. Which one out of these 4 or 5 points that I spoke about, which one will you start concentrating from tomorrow onwards? Let me know in the comment box. I want to read all of them. If you will start concentrating more on exits, entries, or you will start writing a plan. Okay, I will see you in my next video. Till then, have a wonderful day. See ya.